Homemade lasagna recipe. Melt the butter. Add ginger garlic paste. Mix well. Add minced chicken. Mix properly. Add tomato chili paste. Mix until cooked. Plate it out and aside. Take lasagna out and boil it. Put it in a dish and spread white sauce on it. Spread tomato sauce or ketchup on it. Now spread the chicken. Add the capsicum. Sprinkle the cheese. Sprinkle chili flakes. Put the second layer on and repeat all the same steps with the sauces, chicken, capsicum, cheese, and chili flakes. Top it up with slices of capsicum, chili flakes, and olives. Ready for the oven. Bake it for 30 to 35 minutes at 160 to 170 degrees in a preheated oven. Take it out when it's ready and golden on top. Cut out beautiful squares. Look at the cheese. Plate it out and enjoy warm. Hope you like it. Full quantities in the description.